Lay. Verb. To place down in a position of rest, or in a horizontal position. To lay a book on the table, to lay a body in the grave. A shower of rain lays the dust. Lay. Verb. To prepare a plan, project etc., to set out, establish a law, principle. Lay. Verb. To install certain building materials, laying one thing on top of another. Lay brick, lay flooring. Lay. Verb. To produce and deposit an egg. Lay. Verb. To bet that something is or is not the case. I'll lay that he doesn't turn up on Monday. Lay. Verb. To deposit a stake as a wager, to stake, to risk. Lay. Verb. To apply, to put. Lay. Verb. To impose a burden, punishment, command, tax, etc. To lay a tax on land. Lay. Verb. To impute, to charge, to allege. Lay. Verb. To present or offer. To lay an indictment in a particular county, to lay a scheme before one. Lay. Noun. Arrangement or relationship, layout. The lay of the land. Lay. Noun. A share of the profits in a business. Lay. Noun. A lyrical, narrative poem written in octosyllabic couplets that often deals with tales of adventure and romance. Lay. Noun. The direction a rope is twisted. Worm and parcel with the lay, turn and serve the other way. Lay. Noun. A casual sexual partner. Lay. Noun. An act of sexual intercourse. Lay. Noun. The laying of eggs. The hens are off the lay at present. Lay. Noun. A lake. Lay. Adjective. Non-professional, not being a member of an organized institution. Lay. Adjective. Not belonging to the clergy, but associated with them. They seemed more lay than clerical. A lay preacher, a lay brother. Lay. Verb. Simple past tense of lie, when pertaining to position. The baby lay in its crib and slept silently. Lay. Noun. A ballad or sung poem, a short poem or narrative, usually intended to be sung. Reference. Please support us with your subscription.